Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 33 1/3 old record, and I've blocked the little hole up in the centre. I have the bottom of a soda bottle here, which I have gouged a hole in the top there, and I'm going to see how that works, putting a different pattern into the centre of my painting. So first up I'm using the white. Now I've got white, black, blue, red and yellow, so I'm hoping to get something rather pretty, and we'll soon find out. Scribbling through, dropping through at the bottom there. I can see through the clear pieces. Oops, that wasn't meant to be. And a bit of red, and I think I'll finish it off with a little bit of white. Just give it a second, it's still dripping through there. Where'd I put my cloth? Oh, I don't know where I've put it. Alright, I'll use this one. So that might do it, because I can see it's just about done there, and now get it up without dropping it. There you go. Give it a second to take up the space. It's off level. I don't suppose it really matters because it'll be pretty anyway. And now the cloth. Just about got it on right. Pretty cool. So it looks like everybody is settled in there. Now for the interesting part. And also gooey. Okay, so I'll just dry my hands now. And I didn't put any Floetrol in any of these colours. I was going to, and then I just didn't do it, so I'll just turn this around because I don't really want it to go over the edge. It's getting close. Alright, so I'm going to torch it. That is really pretty, and I just want to skewer that blue a little bit. I think that looks a bit better. touch that. Not going to mess with it at all. I've got some cell action going on, some like smoky effect, and just a tad of yellow. I don't know what happened to the yellow, but hey, that yellow does that to me. Right, and I'm happy as. That's really, really pretty, but all I want to do now is maybe bring it down just a little bit. Yes, my dogs are energetic today. No, it doesn't want to, it's going to mess up, so I'm going to leave it alone. That'll be okay, that's very nice. I'll bring you down to have a look. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below this video on Show More. Along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come there and join us. I think that's lovely. And what else? Nothing. I've told you. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. And click the little bell beside that word just below this video, and you will be notified then as I put up more videos. I do hope you've enjoyed this one. It was a bit of fun making it. I think I'll make that hole a little bit bigger so that I get more of a pattern in the centre. There's the centre. Yeah, it made a little pattern, but not enough, so I'm going to make the hole a bit bigger. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up, I do appreciate that, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.